time again. And today, what I'm gonna do is beef mechado. Another very simple way of cooking mechado. And these are my ingredients. 2 pounds of beef, 3 medium potatoes, 16 ounces of tomato sauce, 1 cup of onions, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, 1/3 cup vinegar, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, soy sauce, Worcestershire, vinegar, garlic, crushed pepper, onions. I'm not gonna put the salt yet, not yet, because the soy sauce is already salty. I'm gonna add the salt later. And this is the tomato sauce. I'm going to marinate this for 45 minutes to an hour. Usually I don't soak the meat in salty sauce, but since the cut of this beef is big, it's okay. While waiting for the beef to be marinated, I'm gonna fry the potatoes. Potatoes are now brown and cooked, and I'm ready to cook the meat. I'm gonna let it simmer for about 30 minutes. The beef is now cooked, so I'm gonna add the potatoes. I added the potatoes. The potatoes is already cooked, so I'm gonna turn this off.